Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video, I am going to share how you can check your normal and natural breathing pattern and then make the corrections accordingly. Generally, when you identify there is a problem in your breathing, you directly jump into the pranayama practices, right? But ideally, what you should do is first identify what is the problem actually, what is happening. So, for that, what you do is you check how is your normal and natural breathing, which is what you are going to learn, and it is very simple.
Keeping your eyes closed, back straight, place your right palm on the abdomen, left palm in the middle of the chest. Focus your whole awareness on your breath. Feel the natural and normal flow of breath. Do not try to manipulate it. Just see as you breathe in and out, where do you feel the movement? Do you feel it in the belly or do you feel it on the chest? As you see clearly, my belly is moving out and in as I am inhaling and exhaling. There is no movement in the chest and on the shoulders. When you breathe through the chest, you will feel the movement on the chest and the shoulders. Also, by observing, just observing the breath, you will realize how fast or slow you breathe, whether your breath is rough or smooth. This is a very important step to understand, to make a conscious effort of understanding how you breathe.
Once you identify how your natural and normal breathing pattern is, the next step would be to correct it not by directly jumping into the pranayama practices. There are some preparatory practices also, like belly breathing, full yogic breath. Once you start practicing those, half of your problems, or all of your problems could just disappear. In the next video, I will show you how to practice belly breathing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.